best free Roku channels to watch movies. In this video, I'm going to show you the best channels you can get on your Roku to watch free movies. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And check the description because I'll have links to all of the channels I recommend in the Roku store down there. So to get started with the best free movie channels for Roku TV, the first is going to be Tubi. Once you get into Tubi, to find free movies, all we need to do is go into the left menu here, select Movies, and then in here you'll see a full list of all the free movies that you can watch on Tubi. Now all of these are free. Some of them might have ads, things like that, but they will be completely free and you don't even need to create an account. After Tubi, we have Pluto TV, and to find free movies in Pluto TV, when you see this screen, you can sign up if you want to, but you don't have to, so I'm going to select Not Now. And then in here, just go to the left, go to On Demand, and then you can scroll down and you'll see a full list of all the free movies that Pluto TV offers. So they have a really large catalog of free movies, lots of really good movies here. After Pluto, we have one of the best free movie channels for your Roku, and that's going to be the Roku channel. So we'll go ahead and open that up. This should already be on your Roku. But once you get in here, in this top menu, go to the right, select free, and then you'll see not only all the free movies, but also free TV shows and other free content. So you can go through here and click any movie, and then you can watch it. They also show you other ways you can watch it, but they allow you to watch it for free on the Roku channel. Now, after the Roku channel is going to be YouTube. This might be a little bit surprising, but YouTube does offer a ton of free movies, and I'll show you how to find them. So we'll open up the YouTube app. Once the YouTube app opens, go into the left menu, and then in the left menu, we just want to go down to More. Once you get to More, select Movies and TV, and then go to the right and scroll down, and under Explore, you'll see Free or Free with Ads. Select that, and in here, you'll see all the free movies that YouTube gives us to watch completely for free. So this is really cool. Lots of great movies here. All right, so the final app I'm going to show you for free movies on your Roku TV is going to be Fandango, which might be a little bit surprising because this is where you usually purchase or rent movies, but they have a really large catalog of free movies that you can stream. So to find them, you can just see it right there on the homepage here. Just go down, select Stream Free, and you'll see all the free movies that they offer. You can also go in the left menu and see Free to Watch, and this will bring you to the same page. So it's really easy to find, and you can just go through. They have them by top 100 movies, top 100 TV, and all this is completely free. So those are the best free channels to watch movies on your Roku. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.